Welcome back to Virginia This Morning. This Partners in Healthcare segment is sponsored by Commonwealth Catholic Charities.
Home care services are available for all people thanks to Commonwealth Catholic Charities. This morning, Susan Whiteside joins us to explain more about what's offered. Good morning, Susan.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you so much for having us. Commonwealth Catholic Charities as an agency has been around the Richmond area for over 85 years. We have many services. We have over 17 different services that are open to all people regardless of faith. You do not have to be Catholic to get services from Catholic Charities.
Okay.
We have services for children, we have services for people in crisis, and we have the service that I was coming to talk with you today as part of our aging and disability services, which is our home care program. Our home care program provides services for people in their homes who may be, because they have a disability or because of their age, might require some services to be able to be independent and to remain in their homes. We have aides and nurses and social workers that provide services to them.
It's really, really important and really comforting for seniors to be able to stay in their home with their own things, where they're most comfortable. And that's a really big service that you offer to make that possible.
Yes, we feel like it's very important. People, we have obviously have an aging community. Everybody's, the baby boomers are getting older, and more people are requiring services. And most people, we have found, really prefer to stay in their home where they can have increased independence by having some assistance with people there to be able to keep them there and keep them safe.
Now, Commonwealth Catholic Charities and the home care services that you provide are partners in healthcare, and that's a very big resource too.
Yes, we are members of Partners in Healthcare, and we're very grateful for the opportunity to be here today. It's a wonderful organization.
Now, there are a lot of people that would want to find out more information or get involved. What's the best way to get started? How do you decide it's time and I need some help and be able to find it?
Right. A lot of people, well, if you have somebody who's actually getting ready to go into the hospital, perhaps, and you know they're going to need help when they come home. If you have somebody who maybe is coming home from the hospital, and you realize now that they're going to need help, or you may have a loved one that maybe lives here in the Richmond area, but you're in New York or something and you're worried about their safety or something like that. So most of the services we provide are more custodial of nature. It's more personal care. It's providing services like assistance with bathing, assistance with preparation for meals, those types of things. And we have a wonderful group of staff that work there. We have some aides that have been with us for over 20 years. So we feel really good and very comfortable about the people that we're putting in the homes.
Now, people have just spent time with their families after Thanksgiving. There's going to be increased visitations and things with the holidays coming up. That's when they start to recognize the signs that maybe a little extra support is needed. Are these services gathered by the elderly or the seniors that are at home, or by the families, or both?
It could be anyone that feels like the person may decide they need some assistance, or it could be a family member that decides that they need assistance. So it just really depends, and they basically just need to call us or go onto our website to get some information. And pretty much anyone it's open to pretty much anyone as long as they meet the criteria of whatever particular funding source they're coming in with. I mean, if somebody's coming in and they have Medicaid, for example, there would be certain criteria for that or whatever. But we depend a great deal on donations, and a lot of our funding, that we get is from donations, and so we try to open it up as much as possible.
Now, we have a little bit more than a minute left here, and you guys have a new look.
Yes, we do. We have a new logo. We're very excited about it. It is very different for us. We've been here, like I said, I think over 85 years in the community, so it was time for a little bit of a facelift. These colors that you can see on the screen represent the various different services that we offer, as well as the various different numbers of different types of people and programs. So we're very excited about it.
It's very eye-catching.
Yes, it is.
Great.
You'll probably see a lot more of it around the community.
Well, fantastic. Thank you, Susan.
Well, thank you very much for having me. Appreciate it.
For connecting with Commonwealth Catholic Charities, you can call 285-5900 or visit online cccofva.org, or you can visit the office at 1512 Willow Lawn Drive. Greg and Cheryl?